Hey folks, figured we better squeeze in another fall table before it's too late, right here on my take on home and garden. Guys, thanks for coming by. I know you're excited like I am to do another fall table. Just before it slips away, we'll be doing a different table when that happens. Now I've got something different, and we're going to go with a no frills cotton poly blend black. That's why I'm calling it no frills. Not everybody's choice, but we're going to see how cute it can be. Then we're taking a scalloped charger. Okay. And our celery green dinner plate by IKEA. We've seen those, but you haven't seen this little beauty. I've got a set of these with a serving platter, and this is by Decor, made in Bavaria. Or for our German friends, das ist der Porzellanfabrik und Deutsch. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Now we're not gonna just pile it up. We got a beautiful 18 by 18 100% cotton napkin to go under that salad plate. I'm going to move that, and I want to do a quick arrangement. How flat would a table be without one? Can't have it around here. I'm telling you, it'll be quick and painless. I'd like to start out with the idea that fall is really set in now, and there's not too many flowers left. Everything is almost wiped out by that first frost. So now you know I gotta start with some painted fern, which is turning for the season. Then something more basic, just a bundle of wheat ears. We'll get them in there. Those are extra pretty. And we'll want some highlights. We'll go with that cream and burnt orange. Okay, we don't want to leave our friends out on the other side of the table, so I'm going to go with this up and tall lavender piece. You knew it was coming. Gotta have some. How about a little more of that in a different variety? Loving that balance. I think we need one up the middle and the front. Something odd, a highlighter like this. Middle again. And then you've seen our burnt orange berry pick. Maybe we'll do that in the front again. See how we're looking. This is going to pick up a lot of our colors in our table. And if you looked at the Bavarian plate, you'll see the inspiration for those. right here. Now I want to get the rest of those chargers on. Probably got a paper in between. Like you know I like with everything. To keep it nice. When you pay good money for your things, you want to keep them nice. Now we got a serving plate here. And we can put our, guess what we're having? Crab legs. Crab cakes. That ought to work. Now I'll tell you what's neat. You know, you folks know, those plates were thrifted, and I just can't tell you how many times I've been able to use these. You've seen a couple tables, and they've just worked out with even more than I thought they might. Because it's not a big favorite green of mine, personally, but I'll tell you, they've really worked quite nicely on a few tables. Look how cute. Can you believe it? Now you guys, you're still getting things you haven't seen. Okay, in a year and a half. Here's a pear trivet. Since pears are big on our, people are going, wow, man, that's kind of spring-like, ain't it? No, not when we're done. Notice this was a thrift haul this year, and I've had these fruit plates for a year, but this latticed rim is why I selected that crystal bowl, and you saw that in a video earlier. I like to set odd pieces around for interest. You cannot have fresh fruit without some cheese, cracker. You'll need something to keep everybody quiet while they're waiting. Now we're going to have a little homemade cocktail sauce, you know that. And we're going to get to use our Royal Beirut. Can you believe it, finally? Look at this condiment. Now he'll have some horseradish and cocktail sauce. We got a cream and sugar. Probably better put them over here. Special spoon for that. Anybody that wants a coffee after. Now a couple more tidbits to make this beautiful and push over that fall idea. Man, I'm liking the green. We don't use green pumpkins very often, but man, they're looking cute with that table. What do we need these for? Some people would ask. It's to push over our idea, our decor. for the evening, and it has nothing to do with the dinner. No. You got to think out of the box for beautiful. Man, I think I'm going to have to take you and show you all around. So folks, if you liked our fall dining table today for seafood, give us a like, a share, a comment, send your friends over. Tell them how much fun we have right here on My Take on Home and Garden. Take care, everybody. Put on that big smile. Finish up your fall. We have other business coming quick. Until the next over the top, beautiful, elegant decorator table.